Hi everyone, this is Alexisjordani here, and for today's video I'm gonna do easy bright fresh look. Like, it's very easy, and to start off we're gonna use MAC strobe cream in the shade Pinkly Light, and it gives so dewiness, glow, youthful. And this is the MAC Pro palette in a shade medium to dark, I guess, and we're gonna put it in under eyes and blend it out with a beauty sponge. And we're gonna use a Estee Lauder Double Wear. I don't know the shade, but I didn't make it like another layer of makeup. I just put it in a outer. Oh my god, girl, I don't know what I did. I'm just gonna blend it right away. I'm gonna use airbrush so that it's so easy. And what call that name again, like very freshening, very nice and soft and gentle. Like, oh my god, girl, you can do this every day. You can just go to the grocery or something, and you should not do airbrushes very close up. I'm just demonstrating, like I'm doing her her makeup on airbrush, whatever. And I'm gonna set in loose powder in Laura Mercier in a shade translucent. You don't have to bake it, just set it. And eyebrow, just I want the eyebrows kind of like be bushy, not so like draw on eyebrows. And yeah, I'm gonna use Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Wow, very expensive. And I'm just gonna put it so that it will, what call that, last long, I guess. And gonna blend it. I'm gonna use NARS, I forgot that name actually. And gonna use those dark gold. I'm gonna use the Anastasia contour palette in shade medium to light. I'm just gonna put it in depth. I'm not gonna like eyeshadow, I don't know, eyeshadow girl. I'm gonna use Becca in the shade Vanilla Squartz. That's, oh my god, that's so nice. Like, oh my god, girl. And this is gonna use the L'Oreal Volume Lashes, and I'm just gonna put some lashes. I'm gonna use, what called that name, NARS blush. It's kind of like a multitasking. It's blush with a highlighter on, and that's so nice. Like, oh my god, girl, you should buy that. I'm gonna link it down below. What's that name? I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills again, just to contour her nose. She likes like a narrow, like very slim nose. Like, oh my god, girl, just look at that chart. And put it in a lower lash line. I'm not into like eyeshadowy if comes to like super natural, I guess, or dewy or glowy. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier, I forgot that name. It's kind of like eyeshadow stick, but the shade in that is rose gold. And this is the Laura again. I let her did her lower lash line so that it's so easy for me. And now I'm gonna use butter bronzer by Precision Formula in a shade bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze her face. I'm not gonna like totally sculpt. And I'm just gonna like very fresh, like bronzy, but not so like dark or warm. Just gonna like, you know what I mean. I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus just to make the skin more dewiness. And I'm gonna use MAC Hyper Real in a shade, I don't know what's that shade. I think that's it's rose gold. And oh my god, you see, it's so blinding. And not totally blinding, it's kind of like a natural blinding, you know what I mean. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier, I forgot that name. I'm just gonna link it down below. And then, so yeah, that's it. And we're gonna do her hair. Her hair is very simple, like typical bridal or prenup shoot. And after that, here's the final look. Yeah. That's it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you later.